How to fix call indeed problem on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you how to fix call indeed problem on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, open your phone application and now tap on the three dots at top right corner of your screen. Select settings. Scroll down, navigate to calling accounts. Now you have to choose courier related setting. Tap on call bearing and make sure that you cancel all and then disable all the option. Alternatively, you can also dial *31# and make a call from the problematic SIM. Once you have done that, you need to make sure to reset SIM card. Press and hold the mobile data to open SIM and mobile network settings. Then you have to select the problematic SIM and toggle it off, then toggle it on back. Now open settings. Tap on apps, select app management. With the help of the search bar, type in SIM toolkit and open its app info. Tap on storage uses and tap clear cache. Once you do that, you need to restart your device. Restart your phone to apply the changes. So hold the power button on your device and swipe towards restart. Once you do that, you will successfully fix call indeed problem on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.